Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a blurry, low quality image like this into a sharp, detailed 4K version using Gemini and a simple prompt. First, head over to Gemini. Next, drag and drop your image into the input bar, then make sure you select Create Images. Once that's done, copy the prompt I've added in the description and paste it into the prompt box. Also, don't forget to switch the mode from Fast to Pro in the dropdown for the best quality results. Now, hit send and give it a moment. Gemini will process the image and enhance it with much more detail, turning it into a crisp, high-definition version. If you want colorization, it can do that too, and if not, it'll preserve the original colors automatically. Once it's ready, just download your upgraded image. And that's it. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more AI tricks and tutorials.